Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a public/non-private account to private on Instagram. Let's just jump right in. You'll want to open up the Instagram app and then go to your profile. I've got an iPhone, but things might look a little different on your screen if you have a newer or older iPhone, are using a newer or older operating system, or you have a different operating system. Click on the three-lined menu in the top right-hand side of the screen, and when the next menu opens, click on the very first option, called Settings. Here, you'll want to look just above halfway down the screen, at an option called Privacy. On the next screen, the very first setting, at the very top of the page, is Account Privacy. There is a toggle switch which you can use to turn your account from private to public and vice versa. When the toggle looks like this, gray, your account is not private. Other people can see your content, who you follow, and who follows you, as well as a whole host of other details depending on what your own personal security settings are. When the toggle looks like this, your account is private. You may not be able to switch your account to private. My SMM Beginners Instagram account is a creator account, so I can't switch my account to private unless I switch it to a personal account first, and then make it private. You also can't make a business account private. If you have a business account and you'd like to make it private so that other people can't see what's on it unless they get your approval, you will need to first switch the account type to personal, and then make the account private, just as with the creator account. You can undo the process and make your account public in the same way, by following the above steps again but sliding the toggle the other way. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.